Welcome to JSR DevOps with Ratna. Today we are discussing about how to installation of console agent on Ubuntu Linux machine. In previous video I explained about how to installation of console exporter on Ubuntu Linux machine. This is agent I am showing. This is console exporter and it will show the output console up is 0. After installation of console agent it will show 1, and also I will show you how to console exporter configure with Prometheus and how to import console export on Grafana. How can we see visualization through? I will show you in this video. This is the official website to install console agent. So if you go and check, I will keep this links and description. So I will download on Ubuntu. So this is Linux, so you can choose different flavors in Linux. So I choose Ubuntu daemon. So here I run these commands on my Ubuntu Linux machine to install console agent. I run these commands in my Ubuntu Linux machine, but it's take time to connect. Already it exists. So I used curl command, curl hyphen fssl, so it can be downloaded. So after that I run these commands what they are mentioned in this official website. So I installed apt install console agent. So I run those commands, so it's showing like this only. So I run this command to install console agent, so it comes like this only. So everything is set up in my local machine, in my Ubuntu Linux machine. Now I created basic config directory by using mkdir-p. So this is the directory I created that in etc directory consul.d. So here I mention config-dir on console this directory. So by using this command, so here I keep the data like datacenter dc1. This is for one agent only. So data directory opt console I provided these details. So I need to create this directory and I have to give the owner permissions. So this is the directory and bootstraps everything I mentioned here. So I save by using Ctrl X and come out. After completion of config file, then I created directory that is opt/console what I mentioned in the YANF file. So already I create this user, so I try to create it. That means already is existing slow shows. So here it will show one. I will give the owner permission to this particular directory opt console. So I try to start this console. So I'm getting some issues to start this console agent. So I resolve this console agent by creating this server and draft directory. So you can create this directory -p opt console where we have download the console. That directory you have to provide the server and provide this raft directory. You have to create it, and I provide the owner permission recursively by using -r this console directory. So then I restart this console. So I'm getting some issues like this server solution like this only. Then after I resolve this issue by using pgrep, so it will show the issue. So already these servers are running, so I killed by using sudo pkill command in Linux. So I kill that server. After that I try to restart this command by using console start systemctl start console. So it will show the running status only. So you can take the public IP and provide the public IP, and node is port is 8500. So finally it will show the console agent like this only. Now how to configure with prometheus.ml file. So if you go to the va/etc prometheus/prometheus.ml, you have to provide the details about agent. So I given these details, job underscore name console, and metrics path is va/agent metrics, and provide the params format Prometheus. So and given the target IP, that is agent 192.168.1.8500. So finally I save this file and come out. Now we have to restart Prometheus by using systemctl restart Prometheus. Then we have to restart the console exporter also. If you do not know how to install console exporter, I created one YouTube video for this. If you do not see, you can go and check that channel and that video. So after that, so I showed previously, this is console exporter. In previously it show console catalog service 0. Now it's showing 1. That means agent is running successfully. This is the agent. Now I have to import this agent into the Grafana. This is the official website of console exporter. So this is the dashboard, and the ID is 12049. I have to import this code into Grafana. So here in the dashboard, I go to the dashboard and import. Here import and provide the ID. This ID is 12049. So given that ID here, so load, and already given this dashboard, we have to choose the Prometheus where you have to given. So I choose this Prometheus and import. Go and import this dashboard. So it will show like this only: total services, console peer and leaders unhealthy. So this is the console exporter, how to import in Grafana, and how to install console agent. This is, if you have any queries, please in comment section. Thanks for watching.